Max and Moritz. These are targets made of wood. Another doll's house showing furniture from the 1930s, 40s. Altogether, there are about 40 doll's houses in the collection. One of the most beautiful houses is this house, dating back to the 1860s. No, not this one. This house is a copy of a private house from the 1940s. And this house is a kind of peasant work, probably made up in the North Sweden in the 1860s, 70s. It's in a smaller scale. Some furniture are homemade, other are German manufactured. But this house is very, very beautiful, dating 1860s, 1870s. And most of the furniture in this house are also original. The ceilings, the walls and the floors are hand painted.